Welcome, crochet enthusiasts and flower lovers. Today, we're exploring 6 charming crochet flower appliques that will add a touch of floral beauty to your projects. Let's dive in and discover the magic of these miniature botanical wonders. Small cherry blossom applique. Capture the ephemeral beauty of sakura with these soft pink cherry blossom appliques. Symbolizing renewal and hope, they're perfect for new beginnings. Add a touch of Japanese-inspired elegance to hair accessories, handbags, or home decor. Create unique brooches or adorn greeting cards. These delicate blossoms can transform ordinary items into serene, Asian-inspired pieces, bringing a promise of new beginnings to your creations. Small gardenia applique. Imagine a delicate gardenia in a rare, dreamy blue hue. This applique captures the flower's essence, symbolizing purity and love. Perfect for adorning gifts, these compact gardenias can express secret affection or bring joy to a friend. Use them on headbands, hair clips, or to add a springtime touch to bags and clothing. Their size makes them ideal for scrapbooking or creating unique jewelry, bringing elegance to any project. Small bubble rose applique. The bubble rose applique showcases charming rosebud clusters in soft pink. Symbolizing gentle affection and innocence, they're perfect for romantic or youthful projects. Embellish baby clothes, create dainty jewelry, or add sweetness to greeting cards. Their rounded shape brings whimsy to picture frames, handmade purses, or nursery decor. Let these tiny blooms add a touch of springtime freshness to your fabric projects. Small morning glory applique. Dawn blooming morning glories inspire these delicate appliques in pastel pink and blue. Symbolizing love and life's fleeting nature, they're especially meaningful for September birthdays. Add whimsy to headbands, tote bags, or create unique brooches. Their small size is perfect for card making or adorning picture frames. Use them to bring a fresh, spring-like feel to any craft, from curtain tiebacks to phone cases. Small Barbie rose applique. The Barbie rose applique combines the elegance of roses with a playful twist. In soft pink and yellow, these whimsical creations symbolize femininity and joy. They're perfect for young girls or anyone who loves a touch of nostalgia. Decorate hair accessories, personalize phone cases, or create charming brooches. Their compact size even allows for miniature doll accessories, bringing smiles to faces young and old. Multi-head small rose applique. This applique features a cluster of miniature roses in soothing blue, reminiscent of spray roses. Symbolizing tranquility and the impossible, they're perfect for dreamers. Use them on wedding accessories, sympathy cards, or meditation space decor. Their calming color suits throw pillows, curtain tiebacks, or yoga accessories. Let these unique blue roses bring serenity and a touch of the extraordinary to your crafts.